guy is so accidentally cool.
Okay. Mama!
Gravity.
Oh, I feel like reminiscing.
Reminiscing?
Hey guys! Where are we going?
We relocating.
Placing ourselves elsewhere. But that thing! What was it?
How should we know?
Very little penguins.
But where did it come from? It's so weird, so alien. What's he talking about?
I don't know. Some hombre called Ilian.
I don't know a guy named Alien. I knew a guy named Esteban, but no,
Not
I don't.
Esteban, he said Alien.
Guys, we have a mystery here. A mind-boggling mystery.
So, what are we supposed to do about it?
Yeah.
Amigos, we gotta get to the bottom of this thing.
Big guy, let me tell something to you. Come close. Don't be afraid. You want answers.
Yeah.
That's all you need.
Yeah.
Nothing else?
No.
Then this is very easy. You go see Lovelace.
Ah, lovely! Lovely! Genius, Ramon.
Thank you.
You are the man.
Right now, I take a moment for myself.
Let's go.
Bow down, bow down.
You're the man, you're the man.
That's enough. I feel your love.
Who's Lovelace?
Lovelace is the guru.
Go see Lovelace.
He got the answer to everything. Everything.
Really?
Ask him. He never wrong.
Never.
But first, you're gonna need a pebble.